March Marie the Pangthokadoriba Ahan Batanka ki Mikhalda webcasting amasung integrated e-governance solution ki khudong saba polling station listing amaga chatruk nifu humdoi da fanghangadori. Amadi Taramathoi Suba Manipur Vidhan Sabha ki Ahan Batanka ki vote khomagi matam ngasi nuthil pung 3 da loikre. Kurumzari mideng tabiri basing bataram nokchari pau sandok na pizari ahan ba tangkaki oina pangthokadoriba mikhalasi niyom chumna pangthoknaba anauba webcasting amasung integrated e-governance solution gi khudongstaba polling station listing amaga chatruk nifu humdoi da leire haina chief election officer Vivek Kumar Dewagan nangasi lamfel da leiba CEO gi office ta pangthokpa pawmising ga unabada phongdokre mari leinaba official kaya yauna pangthokhiba pawgi mifam amada Vivek Kumar na makha tana haikibada ngasi nungthil pung 3 dagi mikhal gamari leinana sathaba campaign yauna thabak thorom sing athing ban leire polling station manung da sathaba thabak sing online da khangba ngamlagani webcast ki matengna police station amasung polling booth ki lambi mangjongna na khangdoktuna khudakta sathariba thabak sing yengshinba ngamlagani makhal amatagi ayat apan pirakbada polling station adugi report fawwas tatharamba yai mimana draba singi oina akhanna khudong saba pibu oina wheelchair gi khudong saba leigani ani suba phase tapai khat kadaba mikhal gi damakta su sem saba loire hairi.
The polling stations in Manipur would be covered by webcasting online and offline. In the first phase, which is scheduled on 4th of March, we are having 1,643 polling stations spread over Imphal East, Imphal West, Bishnupur, Churachandpur and Kangpokpi districts. All these polling stations, all 1,643 polling stations in phase 1 shall be covered by smartphone web streaming. Wherever 3G internet connectivity is available, will be covering by real on-time coverage what is happening inside the polling station. Wherever reliable 3G internet connectivity is not there, through smartphone we are capturing all the event inside the polling station. I would like to assure all the electors, all the political parties, that if anything goes wrong inside polling station, Election Commission will not hesitate to order repoll. So I'll also advise all the troublemongers to desist from disturbing our polling personnel inside polling station, because if you do anything wrong inside polling station, that would be captured and immediate action would be taken.
Lakliba tang mari da pangthokadoriba taramathoi suba Manipur Vidhan Sabha mikhal gi ahanba phase ki vote khombagi matam ngasi nungthil pung 3 da loikre March ki tang mari da punna pangthokadoriba assembly constituency kuntra nipan gi ahanba tangka ki mikhal asida punna mirep jamaga humfu nipan na lambat tawnari numidang athengba yauna ayuk nungthil gi matam da publicity chatuna magi mirep singbu vote piduna mai pakhan biu haina campaign satharamba adu matam loikibadagi vote khombagi thabak mapung phana lepkhre Electronics samadi print media ki khuthang da fawba bot khom baga loinana media amadi social media ki khuthang da mikhal gi lalong kaya chatharamba adusu toknakhre amaromda mikhal gi matam naksilakpaga loinana khana chainaba amadi pamdaba thodok thokpagi changdi hengalakli Wangkhai Kendra da BJP ki mirep oiriba yumkham irabot ki Wangkhai angom lekai da leiba polling station 14/50 da ngasi ayuk pung mari makhairom taba matamda sakhangdaba singna nongmai ran ahum kapsilam le hairi mafam adudagi nongmai tokning ahum su phangle thawong adubu Women Social Welfare Association ki thaupubi Sunita na pendaba phongdorakli
Sida ngasi sumaina nongmai kapsan bagi thawdo ama thogi bese akoi maira gi site gi oina yam sathina nuaijade masidi party gi BJP gi Congress gi wa leite masu mathabak sidi matungda amhon su tahonde adu tawsu tawbiganu haijaningi masida leibasi isai naw irei kai sigi ibungi pai chai naw ngaktani masida sokpa panba asi ana tho amagadi madu kanana dai ta pugadabuno masigi thabakse matungda amhon tawbiganu haina haijaningi aduga vote ki maramdadi masugumba ikoi lekai asidadi tawhanjaningde vote aigi sagi apam madu da thadabado madu kaisu kaide aduga nomai kapsandana kaidodana sumaina tawbasidi matungda amhon tawbiganu haina aina hanna haijari
Amarom dangarang numidang pung mapan makhairom taba matamda Sagolban Moirang Lerekte Leba Sagolban Youth Development Association gi loisang manakta sakhangdaba singna bong longsilamle thawong adubu yaning da bafungdok tunangasi association gi sanglen mangnakta wakan mifam sathakre wakan mifam aduga mari leinana W Noni Devi Kaubi nupi amana fongdorakpada mirak tabom pokhai halaga misi mina thogan bagi kana bakari fangadauri kanana karigidamakta bong langsilamli banu haiba sengdok pirau haiki
na karigi kadobagi kari maram ki damak tano hai ba wang je akum je hang ba pa me akoi khang ba mana pom tin lam jala sunne ga akoi ma sin thaja du mana pa me pa ndam ji pa ngara mara la jaga sunai da kanan tan like da la no war ba thal ba mi kya tu pa nga masi tangdu le ta ba ngam den ma pu chi yarep ne ba ka amal lai re masi thohan biganu hai ba je hanjan da ba si miya ma ta biganu hai ba je sum ta akoi ji kari do hai ba no hai ba ma puning se wa hang ma tat tan hang ne ba
Amaromda BJP Yuba Morcha Manipur Pradesh ki Vice President Manohar Mayum Baris Sarma ki Wangkhai Ningthem Pukri Mapal da leiba yumda ngarang numidang sakhangdaba singna nungna landaram le hairi thodok aduda sumangda khamduna thamba gypsy ama akai atoi thokre yumgi thongnaw amadi TV na chingba kaya su mang takhalam le hairi Taramathoi Suba Manipur Vidhan Sabha Mikhala Sida Election Commission of India ki pautak matung ina voting assistant booth amamam hangduna voter list yauba ason ana kayagi mateng pangnaba mioi manga thamduna apik percent phampi gedabani haiba wafam leirabasu BLO kharada maming pishan bada rajniti dol amada tasengna vote khomba meeting shinba anganwadi helper kayagi maming matha kaya yauba thengnari ECI ki pautak matung inadi leigadauriba helper adu voter chandaba amadi mahiroi oigadabani hairabasu Hawjik phawbagi phangba pawgi matung ina khuraya masung singjamai kendrada mateng panggadaba mioising adu anganwadi worker amadi helper oina khanjin ba yaure hairi phiba masida mari leinaba singna yengshin haningbagi apamba maikai kyadagi thamdarakli pawgi marakthana tenba brem tangawjari
Miyam ki nuairaba pausal mathangda domna Delhi chakpada look active hospitality services na miyam da air conditioned rooms ethnic cuisine amasung taxi ki khudongchaba tham
Please contact 0999055302 or 0982181943. Look at these hospitality services. Assurance redefined.
Baldev, a premium study circle, Uripo Kosnam Likai Import. CBSE Holiday Special, Class 6 to 9. Features: smart class, well-designed and furnished classroom, experienced and dedicated teachers, good academic ambience and easy connectivity, a practical approach teaching style, hostel facilities for boys. For details, please visit Baldev office or call 8794609189.
Oza, pain relief ointment. Khwang naba, ok sikpa, tang sikpa, puna blising bada, sinaba yarba, lipsa putne puthok saba, Oza.
The new Jigsaw 2017 series beats your heartbeat.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through sandstones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Swiss rolls with exotic fillings from Winkies, the cake specialist.
Hello Doctor. ISTV na sagol sen khudingi numidang wairam pung taruk taba matamda sendok saba live phone-in program ni lagliba tangani sagol sen numita Dr. T.S. Nabachandra, Senior Consultant Pediatrician asina guest doctor oibigani. Topic na angang kong hamtaba amasung masigi layeng haiba sini adom na call tawbirakadaba aikoi ki phone number